What's up, everybody? It's your girl Bunny D93 coming back at you with the 1, 2, and the 3 for the Trinity, Zealous Artistry. So we're just going to do something extremely simple today. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This should be the Soft Glam palette. Please forgive me. This is the shade Rustic. I'm just using this to basically get a background color with our simple look for today. Next, I'm going in with MAC's Old Gold Pigment. I will use this on the top of my lid. I'm going to do a soft cut crease. I'm not going to actually carve it out or anything with concealer, just using the concealer brush. Nothing's on it but the pigment. This is MAC Old Gold Pigment. Next, I'm going to use glitter glue. This is from Too Faced, along with a topper, which will be from Makeup Forever. It is a Stardust pigment, very finely milled. This is from Makeup Forever Stardust pigment. Yes, baby, yes, work it, honey. We're going to these lips, baby. It is serious. Let me tell you, this is the MAC Lip Liner in Vino. And remember, please make sure that you blend, blend, blend. And here you see me just using the MAC McKizzle lipstick. This is from the MAC Mariah Carey collection. I believe this collection was out about 2 years ago.